Hey, good morning, folks, down here at Lindo Lake. They just finished watering the grass, so now we know what time we can't be here. We got the camera all wet. That's okay. We don't care. Hey, my wife drives a 2012 Prius V. That woman says she will never get rid of it. Just perfect for her dogs. Well, I think I found a replacement because she's been complaining. Why did they, stop making it? Well, here it is right here. I'm going to call it the Corolla Cross dog van. This thing should handle it. Fuel mileage in the 40s. Okay, it's a hybrid. It's got plenty of get up and go. It's got about 197 horsepower out of a 2-liter, not turbocharged. But the fact that you can get over 40 miles per gallon out of it, and there are some tests out there, they're getting like 45, which is really what she's getting with her car. So here's our replacement. Calvary Blue, two-tone. They painted the top black and the bottom Calvary Blue. I thought that was kind of a neat touch. Again, blacked out wheels, mirrors. We'll look at the grill. But they did throw a little chrome in here. Not a lot, but they did throw some chrome in here. Probably the only downside to it, because if it's a little bit narrow, it's anybody, it's a little tight in the back seat. Let's just put it that way. It'd be a little hard to get a car seat in there, but it'll happen. You can tow with it, 1,500-pound tow capacity. I don't know why you would, but you could. But you're driving it. It's been fine. I've had no problem with it whatsoever. Heated seats, great nav, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So it's got all the things that you would want. And this one's under 40 grand. So, Toyota decided, let's take a look at this thing and let's see what we can do for the consumer. And they've always been that way. So let's go ahead and take a walk around, and we'll get more in depth with the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. All right, so we're back to the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross HV, Calvary Blue, 2-liter, 4-cylinder, as I mentioned. It's got an ECVT transmission. Didn't have no issues with it at all. CVTs have really come a long way. All-wheel drive, which, you don't find that in a vehicle of this size or price, really, when you come down to it. Nice tire and wheel package, 18-inch alloys. It's kind of a summer tire, so, you should be able to get anywhere you wanted to go. Okay, I found a little extra chrome, a little bit on the lighting. And by the way, all the lighting is LED, so you don't have to worry about squinting. You got a sunroof, nice roof rack, a little bit of chrome here in the mirrors, just nice accents. The new hot thing for 2026 is these new soft text trim seats. They're waterproof. This one's been accented in blue to kind of offset the Calvary Blue, which is kind of nice. Decent holders for your water bottles. And you got a center console with 2 nice big cup holders as well. Everything is easily accessible. The volume is a kind of a push button, push on, up, push down, which is, more than doable. You've got, great instrumentation. Again, it's not, it's a little bit more narrow and then deep than anything else. As I mentioned in the second row, the seat, these doors could open just a tad more for a car seat, but, from the testing I've seen, it's doable. You're able to get in there. The seats, I don't know. I didn't see where it didn't say anything about a 60-40 split, but it very well may. I'll have to take a look a little bit closer. They do. See, all I got to do is roll the driver's seat up a little bit. Since I do kind of like to sit a little bit on the lower side, see how flat it goes. Oh, that's not bad at all. No, I got no complaint. No, that works out extremely well for that added storage space. You've got power rear hatch, which is always a good thing. So, Look what we have here. We've got a JBL sound system, great speakers, plus a subwoofer in the back. You've got areas to put your air inflator and a couple other, things that you carry in it. You got a nice tonneau cover. If I can do this without, look at that. And that's, you can cover all your items inside. No one's going to be able to see anything. I love the power roof. You can even push that and lock the car at the same time. A lot of blackout on the car, as I mentioned. The test numbers on this, 46 city, 39 highway, 42 combined. The Toyota Corolla Cross has tons of safety. You've got Toyota Sense 3.0 with pre-collision, 4G network, smart key, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and auto braking, which is really good. You've got the mats, you got wheel locks, you got the two-tone paint, the JBL sound system with 9 speakers, power lift gate, and a tilt sunroof. Those are options. They go into an option package. Base on this is $33,030. Options $2,969. Freight is $1,450, and the total is $37,449 with tax and license. So, including a rear wiper, if so, and needed. So it's basically got in almost anything and everything that you would want in a small, SUV. I'm telling you, it could be the replacement for the Prius, if you ask me. But all in all, it's a great car to drive. It's tons of fun. I mean, I've enjoyed it immensely. So you could too. All you have to do is check it out at your dealer. They do make a normal gas version. Doesn't get the mileage, and it's not quite as peppy. That hybrid motor really, really makes a big difference. So check out my YouTube page at davestahl.com. Oh, nope, that's Mr. Dave Stahl, at Mr. Dave Stahl. And my, what is that? Webpage. If you think what the hell I'm talking about, that's davestahl.com. So check us out. We're going to start putting all the radio shows that I do on KCBQ. We're going to podcast those as well. So we're going to try to keep you informed on everything automotive. Have a wonderful day. Come to Lindo Lake. Check this place out.